past 2 weeks, this has been my morning ritual. Opening the Apple Store app, refreshing, hoping, waiting, checking again and again. Will today be the day? And then it happened. The moment I've been waiting for. Availability. To Oxford Street, my heart literally skipped a beat. I didn't waste a second. Booked my reservation right away. Grabbed my bag and dashed straight to Oxford Street. Within half an hour, yes, just 30 minutes, the wait was over. After all that patience, after all that checking and hoping, what an absolute beauty. Every year Apple surprises us, but this time it's not just a phone, it's a moment. Of course, I couldn't stop there. Had to give this masterpiece this protection it deserves. Screen protector, MagSafe case, all ready to go. So this man waited 17 years and finally he made it. iPhone his 17 created Pro Max. Worth every second of waiting, worth every tap on that Apple Store app. So I'll see you soon in my next video with the more review of this phone. Because when patience meets passion, this is what it feels like.
Down part as well. वहाँ पर आके आपको ले जाएंगे।
वो जैसे आगे वहीं से लेके गए। हाँ वो जो मेन गेट पे।
ऐसे टी शर्ट ही पहन के रहेंगे वहाँ।
अच्छा ऐसी टी शर्ट पहनी है। एक साल तक रखी देते हैं। एक साल। और ये जो नोटिस वगैरह करते हैं उसका एक्स्ट्रा पैसा होता है ना बीच में ही है इसके।
क्या चीज़ का?
जो इसका इंश्योरेंस नहीं करते हैं।
हाँ
इंश्योरेंस
एक
एक्स्ट्रा
एप्पल
ले।
केयर है एक्स्ट्रा लीजिए।
हाँ वो पता नहीं।
तो नहीं करवाया। हाँ उसका अलग रहेगा जो भी आप एक्स्ट्रा लीजिएगा उसका अलग रहेगा। हाँ नहीं गलत है 49 ही पहुँच जाएगा। ग्लास का 35 है। हाँ वहाँ बोल दीजिए क्योंकि ये स्टॉक चला जाएगा। चलिए उठाइए।
और जब प्रेस कर
सेट करना होगा लेकिन ये राइट
वही तो अभी मैं ऑन कर अभी सेटिंग पर जाएगा।
पूछेगा बहुत कुछ।
ऑफ कर दो। How are you feeling? First buy iPhone. Like आ गया है निकल गया।
MagSafe 17
Hello. Ola
How
Finally
it
the
does.
beauty is with us. Yeah. Now I wanna go to Ola. Okay, something.
It's asking me to choose the language.
Ola. No, always shows all the Bonjour.
Language. Hello.
Bonjour. Hello. Bonjour. Where's Namaste? Nekoban.
Should I start?
Ella.
What is it?
Hola.
No, it's asking me to select the language.
Oh, don't. No. I want to do the settings at home, please.
Wait a second.
Settings.
Medium is this big. Default is better, I think.
No, medium. Large.
Large is very big.
Medium, I think. We go to medium. Medium's good. Medium's good. No, default
Default
is.
रखते हैं.
No, medium.
We change that later.
अरे सेटअप कर रहा है भाई.
And what is yours? Hell no. It needs a Wi-Fi. You can't choose it here.
Oh, this is needed.
Just shut up.
Why is there a broken cycle on top of the car?
I don't know.
Will you?
Yeah, iPhone.
Which date?
Finally an Apple iPhone after 17 years of their first, which was launched back in 2000.
So it's the historical date, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
Seven. What is the date today? 11th of October.
2025.
So remember, history created